still struggling to make money online? Results not coming in despite your best efforts? If so, I know exactly how you feel. I was in the same position as you. For many years I was spinning my wheels trying to earn my first dime. I tried list building, product creation, paid ads, but nothing worked. Heck, I even spent $10,000 on coaching, but that didn't get me a bean either. Then something unexpected happened. I was browsing social media, wondering what to do next, when it clicked. I saw something I'd never seen before. It was a new twist, using untapped, free traffic. It didn't require an email list, product creation, or paid ads, and it was so easy, even my 7-year-old son could do it. All it took was 30 minutes of work a day, using nothing but free traffic. I started making more affiliate commissions in a single day than I was previously earning in a whole month, in a job that I hated. In the beginning, I thought it was a fluke, but then it happened again and again. My name is Isidro Vargas, and thanks to this breakthrough system, I'm now earning hundreds of dollars online every day in, day out, like clockwork. Introducing Affiliate Pro Formula. This is an over-the-shoulder video guide teaching my secret method for earning 3 figures a day. It only requires free traffic and no more than 30 minutes work a day. It is a unique loophole which will put hundreds of dollars in your pocket every day. But you must hurry, the price will be rising soon, and if you leave the page and come back, you will need to pay more. I've also put together a number of bonuses for those of you who are serious about taking action. We have a no quibble money back guarantee, so you have nothing to risk and everything to gain. This is not the time to hesitate. This opportunity will not come round again. So click the buy now button below and I will see you on the inside.